Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video. Very happy you're here. Way too early to film this intro. It's currently 5:48 and I know what you're thinking. You're like, bruh, what is this? I saw the title. She's supposed to be waking up at 5 a.m. And you know what? I'm upset with myself too. I set my alarm for 5, I woke up at 5, and then somehow I hit snooze for 5 minutes and my alarm just didn't go off the second time. You guys are just gonna have to realize that I'm not perfect and my alarm didn't go off. And we're still doing this video, so anyways, let's get started.
Didn't think you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though I know I deserve the best. And just look at you, you make me blush. And I put up my wall so my heart won't get crushed. Cause when you're looking in my eyes, like I'm walking on thin ice. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game.
Is my guitar out of tune? Maybe. I'm not gonna take the time to tune it though, because I'm lazy. I took a long break from the guitar and I just started getting back into it a week ago or so, and my calluses haven't really formed yet. Really experiencing the pain of the music. I am not good at the guitar, just thought I'd put that out there, but I'm learning this hard section of a song in Male Fantasy by Billie Eilish. So I obviously can't do it now, but I'll do it by the end of the week and I'll show you guys. You guys will be impressed, blah blah blah. It's currently 6:22 and since I woke up at 5:40 and not 5 o'clock, I need to actually start getting ready, unfortunately. Fit check. Oh my goodness. My vest, uniforms, my shirt, also from my uniform store. I'm gonna put on a sweatshirt, but that's purely because I am lazy and don't feel like going through the work of censoring my uniform logo for the entirety of this video. But just know I will not be wearing this at school because they will tell me to take it off. This is what we're working with. I've seen worse, I've seen better, so that's the update. Sometimes my hair gets really funky. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what I want to do with my hair because it's not really good enough to leave down today. It kind of looks frizzy. It's just not a vibe. I could put it in a claw clip. That's always a good go-to. I'm actually incompetent, so whenever I do a claw clip, I have to put it in a ponytail first and then go from there. So if you go to my school and you see this, no you didn't, okay? My claw clip hairstyle is effortless and I do it on the first try. Let's not have rumors start here. I can't see what that looks like. Why don't you guys tell me, okay? What do we think? You know, I think that's good enough. Okay, this is the finished makeup. It's pretty simple. All I do is lashes, brows, blush, highlighter, and lip gloss. I try to keep it under 5 things, at least for school, because then I can get ready really fast. I literally put on my makeup within 3 minutes. Okay, so if you didn't know, I'm in my school's drama production. I wouldn't classify myself as a theater kid, but I do love theater. So do with that what you will. We're doing Little Women Broadway musical. I got cast as Josephine, Jo March. I love Jo so much, but as a result I do have a lot of lines and it's kind of overwhelming and a lot of songs to learn. So literally every day I spend an hour just going over my part, and that doesn't include the 2-hour drama practice we have. It's a big time commitment, but I love it. So I'm gonna go practice my lines. And am I a little bit embarrassed? Yeah, so you guys will be seeing a time lapse. Okay, you're not gonna see me practice my lines in real time, okay? We're not that close. Okay, while I wait for my toast to toast, I'm gonna go on my phone for the first time today. I try to not go on my phone when I first wake up. You should definitely follow my Instagram. I'm pretty active on there. Definitely way more active than I should be, but anyways, I'm active. I love posting on it, responding to DMs, all that stuff. breakfast right now. The breakfast I have literally in full transparency every single day. It's embarrassing. My toasted cinnamon raisin bagel with peanut butter. Peanut butter is like a great source of protein first thing in the mornings, and I love peanut butter, so. We're gonna go to school, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay. Guess what? I finally woke up at 5 a.m. so it's bright and early at 5 a.m. I feel like a zombie.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's
I'm gonna do my Spanish homework because I forgot to do that.
and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically.
This is the finished look. As you can see, my hair's still wet. Obviously that'll dry. I don't even own a hair dryer. For me personally, it's unnecessary and I feel like it would just cause heat damage to my hair, so I just let it air dry every day. And I did the same makeup I did yesterday. It's kind of a routine at this point, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat breakfast.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 3, Wednesday. It was really hard to wake up this morning, and I'm pretty sure the reason why was because I went to bed so late last night, like 11:30. I don't really remember, but I barely got like 6 hours of sleep, which is not healthy. It's not sustainable. For me personally, I need 7 hours, preferably 7.5, to be like a functioning human being. But tonight I have no drama practice, so you best believe I'm going to sleep at like 9:30, okay? This is me putting it out into the world. Like, I need to go to sleep earlier tonight. I think this morning's gonna be like a boring work morning because I have to edit. I have to do so much homework. So I'm pretty much just gonna be sitting at my computer, but let's do that. Okay, I moved my Himalayan pink salt from my bed to right there, and it's just so nice because it like makes the vibe so much better, and plus I can actually see to do my homework without turning on my light.
And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
I really need to go downstairs and get new batteries, but I really don't want to do that because downstairs is in the dark by myself. I know I'm just being a baby about it, but I don't really like the dark, so okay, let's go face our fears together. I really need new batteries. I have all of my batteries. While I was downstairs, I also decided to like get an energy drink. So this looks disgusting, but it tastes pretty good. It's lemonade. It's really good, and I think it's like healthy caffeine, or at least it's what my mom sometimes drinks for pre-workout, because neither of my parents drink coffee, but it only has like 100 milligrams of caffeine, so it's not going to make a huge difference, but it should like help wake me up a bit. So very grateful for that. This energy drink definitely hasn't kicked in yet. I don't know if it's gonna kick in or if it just won't kick in, but I'm really needing it to kick in, guys. Oh my goodness, why am I so tired? But I'm running really late, so I don't think I have time to film myself getting ready. So we're gonna do a quick transition. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is the look today. I have my hair in like a weird messy low bun. I really don't see the point in looking super cute at school because it's school. Like, I'm not there to impress people. I'm there to just do my schoolwork and then go home. Anyways, and then here's my outfit. I'll show it to you. I have my black skirt with leggings because it's freaking cold, but I do have cute socks, so that's my one flex. I'm just wearing like a long sleeve t-shirt from Brandy Melville under my sweater vest, and I call it a day. And you know what? I think the drink is starting to kick in. I'm like starting to get more energy, so that's great, but yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys after school. Hopefully I'm going to bed earlier tonight. Hi, it's 6:05 and I'm finally ready. I mean, obviously my hair is still wet, but that air dries. Do you know how earlier this week I told you guys that I was learning like a hard part of a song and I was gonna show you guys when I learned it? I've been working hard on learning that part of the song and I wanna show you guys, so, okay. This song is Male Fantasy by Billie Eilish. It's one of my favorite songs. Be alright, convince myself I hate you. I can't sing in the morning, but you get the idea. It's really cool. Guitars make me so happy now. Like whenever I'm stressed, I just pick up my guitar. And I'm fully aware I'm not really like good at it, but I have so much fun playing it. It's like I finally found like a music thing that I play just for myself. This sounds so dramatic with the guitar music in the background, but like I feel like I've always played music for other people, but not necessarily for me. But like this guitar is like just for me. Like I'm the only one that hears it, besides like me sharing it on the internet for thousands of people, but like it's different, you know? Anyways, back on topic. This is kind of off topic too, but my nails are so chipped. I think I'm gonna paint my nails really quick. Since when have I ever been able to find the time to paint my nails before school? Like that's so crazy. I wasted so much time on social media, quote, waiting for my nails to dry. They were definitely already dry, but it's already 7:22, so I need to go eat breakfast. This toast is literally a cinnamon roll in a toast. So good. Guys, it's the last day. We made it. I don't think I've consistently gotten this little amount of sleep in a long time. Okie dokie. So, I'm gonna get ready for the day, and while I get ready, I'm gonna talk about my thoughts of this challenge, like my thoughts of doing this. So I've done this 2 times on my channel before. It's kind of like an annual thing at this point. I've been doing it for 3 years now, and I feel like every time I have a different perspective on how I feel. Before I get into my explanation, I'll just cut to the chase. I think waking up at 5 a.m., at least for me right now in this like season of my life, is a terrible idea. It's not working for me. The most obvious and biggest problem of waking up at 5 a.m. for me right now is I'm just not getting enough sleep. I should be going to sleep no later than 10 p.m., preferably like 9 p.m. to get like a full 8 hours of sleep. Usually I'll go to bed at like 11 and wake up at 6:30. So that's like 7.5 hours of sleep. That's my normal sleep schedule. There's just so many things where like nighttime is really the only time to do them. And also when I do wake up, I know a lot of people say like, oh, I'm more productive in the morning. I feel like I'm the opposite. I swear I was trying to get so much done, you guys, and all I wanted to do was sit in bed or fall back asleep because my body was like, you're so tired, Kathy. The first day I did this, great day. I felt so productive. I got so much done, but that's only because I got enough sleep the night before. I think the main problem was that I wasn't articulating. There was no way for me to go to sleep earlier to get the sleep I needed because I would get home from drama class at 9 p.m. and then I would have to do homework after that because I knew if I woke up early in the morning, I wasn't going to be able to have the motivation to do that homework. I think this challenge would work great for me if I didn't have as many after-school activities, is basically what I'm saying. And I know this probably isn't the update you guys were like wanting. And the thing is, past years I've done this, I've loved waking up at 5 a.m. Like I had so much time to myself, I got so much done. This is definitely the first year that I woke up at 5 a.m. and like regretted it. Okay, this is my hairstyle. I know my messy bun looks a little funky right now, but it'll like loosen up as the day goes on and it'll look better later. Another thing about this challenge that I've noticed is my body is just so stiff from not getting enough sleep. Like look, I can barely touch my toes. Whenever I don't get enough sleep, my joints hurt. And it hurts so bad. I know I didn't get enough sleep if my knees hurt, if my feet hurt. And I feel like I'm complaining a lot, but I'm really glad I did this challenge. I'm a little disappointed because all the other years I've done this challenge, like I always felt so accomplished afterwards and I always felt so good about myself and like so happy. And this year I'm kind of like, you just are sleep deprived now. So congrats. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I think this video is a little bit of a longer one, so thank you for watching all the way through. I appreciate you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Oh, and follow my Instagram.